Hi dears, so today we are going to learn something like from basic shapes we will learn how to make different animals using the basic shape called circle and an oval maybe. Okay, so first I will show you which is the basic shape we need to draw any animal's head. Okay, so first you can make the head like this. Okay, for most of the animals the head will be can be drawn like a circle or an oval shape like this. Okay, and this is for the mouth part. Okay, so just this is the basic shape 1 and this is the basic shape 2. Okay, so just by using these two basic shapes, we will make almost all animals. Okay, so I will be making 6 to 7 animals. I'll show you how. After that, you need to make it your own by the same method, just observing the other missed animals. You have to do it by yourself as well. Okay, so let's start. So again, I'm making a big circle like this for the head part. And the small one for the mouth part, and then you just guess which animal we are drawing. Okay, each time I'll not tell you until you find. You have to guess. So we have made a bear using the same process. Now just observe where the eyes and ears are, and that's it. Okay, so maybe we can do the detailing like this as well. Okay, so we made a bear. Now again we will do the basic shape and guess what we are drawing. Okay, so our rabbit is ready. Now you can see that only the ear and the slight shape change is all needed for to make it a different animal, right? So just with the basic shapes we can even make more animals. Okay, let's continue. So this time we have made a small kitten. So just add the detailings like its whiskers and place the ears properly, the size of the ears. Everything is what determining the which animal it is. So the basic shape will still remain the same. Now we have completed one pig. So here also the same process. And now you got the point how to make all the animals. Now let me just do few more. After that you have to continue the process and make at least 6 or 7 more animals. Okay. So here we have made a doggy also with the same process. Next I will make a tiny panda. Okay, so again the process you can just make it like a bear but just add that black patches. That's enough. Let's do that. Now we will try making a cow. Same steps. But for the cow we can add a horn also, and the ears are slightly stooped one or towards the horizontal way it is arranged. So just like that we can make the cow. Now it's time for you to explore more animals. You can draw a sheep simply, the same process, but just by adding one cloud shape over the head for the wool. And any other animals as well. You can simply make monkey, we can make using same shape, everything. So now I'm just giving an outlining and simply coloring it to make it beautiful. But I want you to try more animals and do it, okay? So that's it, our basic shape and different animals is done. Now I want you to try more, of course, okay, and learn this as well. Every time when you are making new animals, you are observing more and making more and creating more, and so you are being more creative, okay. So try it, dears, and send me.